This is an overview of the Flex contract in MagicBase Pro. We're going to start out using an example of this customer, the Micromanagement Incorporated. This customer has two events. They are Customer Appreciation and Employee Party. Now we're going to be making a contract about the Customer Appreciation, which is September 20th, 2008, and you can see the total amount due here. So when I go to the Reports screen, here's the customer's name and some details about the customer. There's the two events we've mentioned. Now we're going to go to the list view of the report screen so that I can select the contract that I'm interested in. I'll choose Current Customer. The customer's name appears here, and I'll choose Contracts. Here's a list of the contracts and reports that I can print out. I'm going to select Flex Contract, and this is what that window looks like. Now the Flex Contract view actually uses two windows. On the left, I've got a template of the default contract, and as you can see, I've got my contact information at the top and there are some merge fields over here on the left. The merge fields are the words between the angled brackets. Now the actual data from the customers will replace those merge fields. Over on the right, I've got the Flex Contract Creator and Control buttons. At the top, I've got some buttons that allow me to print or save my Flex Contract. In the center, I've got some controllers that allow me to insert different merge fields into the contract. And at the bottom, I've got a list of the events for the selected customer. As you can see, the selected customer is listed right here. Clicking on these arrows would browse through my current set, so I could select other customers if I wanted. Now currently I have the default contract selected here, but I don't want to use that one. I want to use my custom Flex contract, so I'll choose Custom Flex. And now you see I've got the contract that I actually created in a word processor, and I pasted it in here, so this is just the way that I want it to look. Now when I select on one of these events, the Customer Appreciation event, you'll see that all the data from the customer record is filled in here. I've got the customer's contact information, the event information with the date and time is filled in, the total fee, everything that I need. And then when I click on Print, I'll print out my custom contract. And that's an overview of the Flex contract in MagicBase Pro.